Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. My name is Junewoo Lim, and today I would like to share how the knowledge and skills I gained through FIN 602 at Westcliff University have reshaped my professional perspective and career aspirations in finance. I'll walk you through how my role evolved, the insights I gained, and how they are driving my future career path. In my current role, I am primarily responsible for the full financial operations of a dedicated store, covering accounts payable, account receivable, operating expenses, reporting, and treasury functions. While handling these responsibilities, I worked extensively with SAP R3 and Excel, managing everything from invoice processing and vendor reconciliations to cash flow and payment operations. Over time, my treasury responsibilities deepened, particularly in managing letter of credit. I moved beyond basic LC processing to supervising reconciliation, tracking associated fees, monitoring available lines of credit, and correctly classifying the LC GIT, goods in transit, inventory for month end and year end closings. I also became more actively involved in fraud risk management, monitoring positive pay mismatches, fraudulent transactions, and identifying recurring risk patterns that needed to be addressed. As the scope and complexity of my work expanded, I realized that traditional manual methods were no longer sufficient. To support accurate decision making and deliver deeper insights, it became clear that advanced visualization and analytical skills were urgently needed. Throughout this FIN 602 course, I was introduced to powerful financial tools and strategies that directly addressed the needs I had identified. I learned how solutions like Anaplan and Workday Adaptive Planning could support dynamic, scenario based forecasting beyond static spreadsheets. I strengthened my capabilities in financial analysis, including profitability ratio assessment, DCF valuation models, and comparative company benchmarking, critical skills for evaluating business health and opportunities. Understanding how regulatory decisions from bodies like the Fed, ECB, and MAS shape corporate financial strategies gave me a more global and forward looking perspective. Furthermore, discovering the power of Tableau and Power BI helped me recognize how raw financial data could be transformed into clear, actionable insights, essential for supporting leadership decisions in a fast paced retail environment. Ultimately, this course shifted my mindset from simply recording and reporting numbers to interpreting financial data strategically and proactively, contributing to organizational growth. Applying these learnings to my work, I am now pursuing several key improvements. I initiated a structured monthly fraud case tracking, aiming to visualize incidents over time and identify patterns that could inform proactive risk mitigation strategies. I also began enhancing our internal reporting by proposing the integration of visualization tools like Power BI to better monitor cash flows, LC utilization, and credit exposures in near real time. Although these initiatives are currently underway, the goal is clear: to move from retrospective reporting to delivering forward looking insights that help the business anticipate challenges and opportunities more effectively. Additionally, during month end and year end closings, I have started analyzing year over year and year to date changes in sales, gross profit, and operating expenses, and etc., offering leadership a more strategic view of financial performance trends, not just static results. In the near term, my goal is to continue strengthening my financial and analytical and reporting capabilities, particularly through advanced visualization and scenario based planning tools. Looking further ahead, I aspire to expand my career either by entering the banking sector, working with institutions like Chase or Bank of America, or by pursuing CPA certification to deepen my expertise in accounting and financial advisory services. Regardless of the specific path, the skills I gained through FIN 602, financial analysis forecasting, valuation, and strategic data interpretation, will serve as a critical foundation for my long term success in any financial leadership role. To conclude, the FIN 602 course was much more than an academic exercise. It helped me recognize the growing demands within my own role, equipping me with the skills and mindset needed to evolve from traditional financial operations into a data-driven, strategic contributor to business growth. I am grateful for the insights this course provided and committed to continuously advancing my career in finance with a focus on analysis, strategy, and leadership. Thank you so much for listening.